This is your assignment N100 found on page E43. This will ask you to do a three-view drawing of this particular part. It is in inches. You will lay out a right side view, a front view, and then a top view. Use the back of one of the sheets, or use your vellum or graph paper that you have to create the drawing. And I've kind of blocked in what it would look like. It will just barely fit on here full size. So step over about 3 grid and then measure 4.5 inches. And the grid is not perfect, so you may end up having to count the blocks if you don't have a scale handy. If you have a scale, then actually measure it out. It gets pretty close to right here, so I'm going to make the assumption that's approximately 4.5 inches, each one of these being a 1/4 inch. So you would lay out 3 blocks over and 2 blocks up, then come over 4.5, allow 3 blocks, then 2.5 inches, and that leaves 4 blocks on this end. Then vertically you're spacing, again 2 blocks up, and then 2.5 inches maximum height for your front view. Leave 2 blocks spacing, and then 2.5 inches deep. And that should leave 2 blocks at the top. So create your views in here. Pay close attention to line weights and make your lines for the visible edges, make them thick, and then your hidden lines, make them thinner, a medium weight, but not as thick as your object lines. Of course, don't forget to label your drawing number in here and your name and the date you complete it.